Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. 2015 World Youth Champion Christopher Taylor and Leah Nugent were the two Jamaican winners at Saturday's sixth staging of the Cayman Invitational at the Truman Bowden Sports Complex in Grand Cayman. Here's Shoshana McGowan.
Taylor excited the fair-sized gathering with a well-timed run to outfox his senior rivals, including compatriots Javon Francis and Rashid McDonald in the international men's 400 meters. Taylor posted a new personal best of 45.24 seconds to finish ahead of American champ Page 45.35 and Francis 45.60.
So first 400 since February, so the coach gave me a responsibility to go out there, and that is the big boy running with. Get out the first 30 meter, travel down the back stretch even if they close down me. I should just keep on got my own race, and that's that I came in straight, stay tall, and I came victorious.
Meanwhile, Leah Nugent landed the women's 400-meter hurdles in a season's best 54.76 seconds, beating compatriots Ristanana Tracy 55.38 and Yannick Hay-Smith 55.74, who also posted season's best efforts.
Execution, I mean, it wasn't perfect. Of course, there's always things I can improve on. I didn't stick to my normal pattern, kind of messed it up, but I've really been working on hurdles 9 and 10, and I think today it finally came together, so I'm happy with that.
Elsewhere, joint national record holder Shelly Fraser Price made a return to international competition with a second place finish in the women's 100 meters in a season's best 11.33 seconds, with the event going to American Jenna Prendini in 11.16.
I felt really good, and I just have to, say I'm blessed. Because to come out here and to run 11.3, it just gets better and better. And the last time I ran in Kingston a couple of weeks ago, I ran 11.5, and today I was able to run 11.3, so I'm really excited about the progress.
Meanwhile, Taekwondo Tracy was the top-placed Jamaican in the men's 100 meters, posting 10.23 seconds for the runner-up spot, while compatriot Nestor Carter was third in a season's best 10.28 seconds. Ahead of Andy Whaley Wright of Trinidad and Tobago 7.75 meters and veteran Caymanian Carl Morgan 6.80 meters. Trishana McGowan, TVJ Sport.